All right, today is Friday, and I got some finishing touches here in the office, and then we're gonna be doing a lot of cleaning so we can actually start moving stuff in. We're gonna work on the camper a little bit today, and then the rest of the day, we gotta work on doing some videos for Heather. Alright, so we got mostly everything clean. There's a couple things that we need to go pick up so we can fix, and one of them is actually the fan in the bathroom. Alright, so we just finished up shooting a yoga video. Will end up being on our Vimeo page. Just gotta figure out how much it will cost, and once we're done editing the video we can do the audio and all that. So once it's out we'll send a link over on all our social media. But what do you think?
Oh, it was awesome. Besides the fact that it's like really hot today and my mat was like burning under my hands and feet, we're good.